Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use your fingers on the trackpad of your MacBook. The first one is the single finger function. I see here, when I touch the trackpad in my single finger, the cursor is moving and I can open the apps or anything that I want to open through this one finger touch. For two fingers, I can scroll up and down here. For three fingers, I can move the window out to see the other open window or open windows in the screen like this. And if I want to get it back, for instance this, here, I can move it and return it back on the screen. When I swipe up, it like this, it goes to this portion. And then when I swipe down, it goes back again. And then you can also use your three fingers when scrolling the windows left and right, like this. And actually, you can use your four fingers, like this. And left and right also. And you can also use your five fingers, like this. Okay, see? It's easy. Then you can move it left and right. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.